Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to connect your Wix store to InterestPrint. Connect the two platforms, you will need to create accounts on both, so if you are not yet an InterestPrint user, go to our website and create your account. To start the integration, simply log into your InterestPrint account. Go to your dashboard to find Wix. Click the Connect to Wix button, you'll be redirected to your Wix account where you'll need to log in with your Wix account. Now your store should be successfully linked. Now you can publish products to your Wix store. Click Add Product, it will go to your designs, and then select the product you want to add to your Wix store. And then you can edit the product in your Wix store. You can edit the product name, description, please don't change SKU and size, or the order cannot be synced to InterestPrint. That's it, you are done. Your new Wix store's orders will now be automatically imported into InterestPrint. You can create a test order to see if the order can be synced successfully. After the order ships, you can import the shipping information to your Wix store. Click Sync Stores, choose Wix store, the tracking number will be added to your order automatically. Go back to your Wix store, you can see the order mark as fulfilled. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button to see more helpful tutorials.